This is my drawing of Jinu Saja from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye with the pupils. And we'll fill that center circle in black. Let's move to the outside of the eyes and draw the lashes. Starting from the top left, curl this down and up, then this back down and in towards the side. And I'm going to fill the inside of those lashes in black. Now let's move back to the center, step down, add a curve for the nose, coming down and then back up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the bottom of the nose, step down and add the mouth, coming down and then up. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move up and add the hair. We're going to start by lining up the inside of the left eye, go all the way up, start with a point. Now I'm going to brush the hair coming down and across towards the left, just on top of the eye. Pull that out. I'm just going to taper that back in. Let's add another curl, stepping up, coming down and out, come in and up. Now we're going to go back to that center point and curl the hair coming down towards the right side. So go around, come down and bend that in, and then taper that all the way around and then up. Let's step down about halfway along this curl, coming down and then out past the side of the head, then in and then up. Now going back down towards the bottom, step up and add a curve, coming up and then in along the side. Now I want to draw the bottom half of the head. We're going to start underneath the hair on the left side, curve this down, come across the middle, just underneath the mouth. Now I want to bring that back up towards the right. Going across, and then just pull that up underneath. Let's add the ears, starting on the left, come around, down, and then in, and line that up on the right. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Let's add a small circle along the earlobes for the earrings. Now when you go back and tuck the eyebrows underneath the hair, let's start on top left eye, curve this in and then down, line this up on the right, going up, then in between. Let's flatten off the inside with a short line, and we'll follow that curve going back out underneath the hair. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's go back to this point and draw a straight line going up to part the hair from left and right. From here we're going to bend this up and out towards the left. Now we're going to work our way around the side, going out and then down, around at the end, and then pull that in on top of the ear. Let's go back to the top, go across and then up, then this out and down. Now I'm going to add a curl. Just going to pull this up and then bend that back down and then in. Let's create an overlap, going out and then down towards the side. And we're just going to bend this back in on top of the right ear. Now from this part, we're going to add some texture. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up and then down, step up, and draw that again, going a little bit longer. Go in between, go up, and then out towards the right. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar first. From the side of the chin, bend this down and then in across the collar. From the top, bend this down and out. And then angle the collar back up and then in underneath the head. Now in between, we're going to add the t-shirt coming down and up. From the tips of the collar, we're going to step down, draw the side of the body, bend this out and then down towards the hip. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. From the hip, let's step up and draw the top of the belt with that same curve. Now, leaving a small gap in the center, let's draw the buckle, one line on the left, one on the right. Let's move out to the side. We're going to draw two lines side by side for the belt loops. Let's go back to the center. Draw a straight line coming down. And then over on the right side of that center line, we're going to add two circles for the buttons. Let's go back to the buckle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down in the middle. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up towards the outside of the feet. Now I'm going to go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down like a half circle, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg with that same curve, going out and then down. And then I'll add a tear across the left knee, going up and then down, come down and then up. From the hips, we're going to add the pocket with a curve coming down and out. Now I'm going to go back and add some detail to the shoes. We're going to start with a thick sole across the bottom. So we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a toe cap. From the outside of the foot, bend this in and then down. We're aiming towards the center of the sole. Halfway along this curve, bend this up and then in across the edge of the laces. Now inside that lace area, we're going to add two curves to separate each lace. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. I want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and wrap that around that bracket. Step down, add that second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, bend this up and tuck that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up and then tucking that in. Now we're going to add the rolled up sleeves, starting from the inside of the arm, bend this up and then out. Line this up on the right. Step up and draw that same curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jinu Saja from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.